Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Essa and I am so glad to have you guys here. So today I'm going to be talking about the Tecno Camon 16 Premier, which looks this good. And I have had the privilege of being able to use the phone for quite some time, so I thought I would be able to give you guys a short review of what I thought of the phone. So to start with, the phone is quite big, which I have told you so many times I really love. And this phone comes in at a 6.9-inch screen display. At the back, it is made of polybicarbonate plastic, which is shiny, and it does attract fingerprints, but for me it's not so much of a turn off because most of us tend to actually put a cover on top of our phones, so it's really not that big of a turn off. On top of that, they've put this color that is really amazing, which seems to be different colors when you look at it at different angles, and Tecno calls this the glacier silver, and it really looks just amazing. So on the right side of the phone we have the fingerprint scanner, and which also doubles up as the lock button, which seems to be the new norm, but it is a favorite thing of mine because you can't just get it over and done with one button. On top of that, we have the volume button, which was within reach of my hand, and that also makes it really good because they didn't space out the buttons too much. At the top we have nothing. On the left side we have the SIM card slot. At the bottom we have the 3.5mm jack, the speaker, the Type-C charging port, and the microphone. The amazing thing about Tecno's design this time is that the phone is so flat it can actually stand on its own. So on this phone, other than it being quite a good size, the screen is a 1080 by 2460 pixels, which is really good because the display you can see is really good. It has a 90 Hz refresh rate, which is also refreshing because you're able to just move from one thing to another. Even when you're locking the phone, it does that without lagging. When it comes to the cameras, at the back we have the quad camera setup, which consists of the 64 megapixel main rear camera, the 8 megapixel ultra wide, the 2 megapixel low light, and the 2 megapixel depth sensor. It also comes with a 5-point flash, which is a step up from the Tecno 15 Premier, which came in with a quad flash. So this is what the back camera looks like. Pretty clear and is really good for vlogging. At the front we have a dual camera setup, which comes with the main selfie camera at 48 megapixel and the second camera coming in at 8 megapixel ultra wide. So this is what the front camera looks like. Apart from the overexposure that you can see at the back, you can really see that the camera is very clear, meaning that you can vlog with the front and the back camera. So for all the gamers and the heavy users on phones who use many heavy apps, the phone comes in with a Helio G90T processor, which is paired with the Android 10. It comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, which is fantastic. So something amazing about the battery on this phone is it charges really quickly. I was able to charge the phone from 0 to 72% in only 30 minutes, and in total it took only 1 hour 10 minutes for it to charge from 0 to 100%. That is amazing because in this time and age we want to be able to charge our phones and just be on the go without having to sit or charge the phone overnight. So from all that, you can basically see that this phone is quite a step up from the Tecno Camon 15 Premier. It has so many improvements, and this phone being the first of any Tecno to have a 90 Hz refresh rate is also showing how much Tecno is going over and above to improve on its devices. So in Kenya you can basically get this phone for yourself at an amazing price of 28,000. It does come with so much, and for that price, being able to get such a good device basically means that you're getting the worth for your money. It has actually been a pleasure using this phone. I would definitely recommend it. So if you're up to buying it, please let me know any questions you have on the comment section. If you'd like to comment something, let me know and I will be sure to reply. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notifications bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. And I would like to thank you guys again for watching. Thank you for stopping by. I hope to see you guys again on my next videos. Goodbye.